Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
Mine is Andrew.
Today we're in Timecraft in Minecraft Education Edition. So in the last video, we went out the chest room, and then now we found that the time bots are bad guys. They have been in this prison, and they're gonna use that portal to get away and get out of this prison.
So we have these cannons that can destroy or do something to the portal so that the robots can't go through.
Okay.
So now we need to use code to fire the cannon.
Like defeat the robots.
The time agents are underneath the time orb. They've used their powers to create protective colored rings around it. Use the activate cannon function to activate the colored cannons in the same order as the colored rings to disable the time orb.
So there's blue, yellow, magenta, and green.
Magenta. Okay, so there's an example: activate cannon blue and then yellow. Let's see what it does.
Okay, so
They're blue rings, right?
Oh.
So look at the sphere.
the blue one.
It's starting to fire. Boom!
Oh.
Now the blue ring disappeared. And now the blue robot fell.
Yellow. It
Yellow.
doesn't work.
Because there's a green ring that's outside. So when their ring is disappeared, they fall and then they're like knocked out.
So
There's
we
stars all over.
So we did blue, so the blue time bot Banshee went down.
Okay, so first we need to do blue, and then green
Green.
was blocking the yellow cannon, so then we need to do green, yellow, and then magenta, because those are our order of the biggest to smallest rings.
Okay, so now let's go coding. And we're gonna do, so it's blue, and then we're gonna have to do yellow. Please. So we're gonna do yellow, and then we're gonna do, oh wait, we have to do green, then yellow, right?
Oh,
Let me see.
yeah.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
green and then yellow. So we gotta do green,
And
then yellow, then magenta. You spell cannon wrong over here. Okay. You did 2. Okay. Then magenta.
Okay, now
Okay.
let's run it.
Blue, the blue.
Shoot it. Go, go, go.
It's moving.
Fire!
Ooh.
Boom!
Green one.
Look. Boom! Oh no. 2 out of 5.
Okay. Boom.
Boom.
Yellow.
But there's
Yeti.
there's no red wing.
I don't know.
Look. Boom.
Okay. And now rascal.
There's only Rascal.
Oh.
He also broke down. The time orb disappeared.
Ooh.
Now we're going past the bots. Oh, now there's a weird sphere thingy. It's teleporting. The robots teleported away, or they got destroyed. You did it. You really stuck it to those time agents, or should I say, you really stuck those agents to this time. Haha, sorry. I'm still working on this thing you call humor. The time agents will remain here to think about what they have done. As for you, come with me. I will show you the way out.
Let's go. Oh.
So
We're
now
getting
we're going
out.
up. Congratulations, your coding skills saved the day again. Who knows what trouble the time agents would have stirred up if they had escaped the estate. Well done. There's still one question I have. Those diary pages, where do you think they came from? That's mysterious.
Oh, there's a guy.
That's the real guy. It's the real Dr. Brikowski. They were from me, Dr. Dodge Brikowski. Those temporal troublemakers lured me into this place too. I've actually been trying to escape for weeks. Whatever you did in there helped me finally find a way out. Thank you. This is a real one.
Yeah.
I'm glad you are safe, and I think we've heard the last from the time agents for a while. Now please, let's get out of here. This place gives me the zeros and ones. Okay, so sorry, kid, I'm broke. Would you settle for saving the world and a cookie? I think, our character wanted the emerald.
Yeah.
Now they're all laughing.
Damn.
And now we go. The mansion actually is pretty big and cool.
So big. I saw Rascal.
The end? Then there's question mark. Maybe Rascal. It came out.
Maybe.
They were stuck in the prison, but now they came out.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Well,
in this escape estate, there's free like lanes you can go to. So this is the
free
easiest one.
time trees.
Like this is the easiest one, and in the next escape estate, we're gonna go to the next path, which is not that hard, but it's still harder than this one. Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.